for the dogs dumb. Hello, how are my cutie cues doing today? I missed you so much. Can you guess who we are? I better find your loving, I better find your heart, I better find your loving, I better find your heart. You guys, we are Drake. We are Drake today, baby. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Hey, 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 we are Drake today, you guys. I am so excited. This looks amazing, you guys. I am having a blast with these videos. You hear me? A blast. And thank you guys so much for your support. Thank you guys for cheering me on. Thank you guys for challenging me. I want to give a big shout out to She Maz for requesting this Drake look. A few of you guys also requested Drake. She Maz, shout out to you. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you so much for requesting Drake. He looks amazing. He's slaying. We slaying today, you guys. And we have, Drake is doing a seafood boil. Now this is a lemon pepper blend seafood boil, you guys. All the seasonings and the sauce is all in here. We have some lemon. We have king crabs, corn, shrimp, potatoes, green lip mussels. We have 2 lobster tail. I have some water on the side, you guys. I'm ready to go in on this food. Drake is ready to eat. He hasn't eaten all day. He has been very, very, very busy. He's finally getting a chance to sit down and eat some seafood, you guys. Let's get into this food, okay? I'm not messing this makeup up, okay? Ooh. This thing is sharp today. I did not make this seafood boil, you guys. I bought this from 2 Claws here. And I just couldn't do it, you guys. I can't do the makeup and do the suit. Like, it's just it would have been too much. That's good. Get that lemon right there. Are you guys having fun? I'm having a blast. You hear me? A blast. That potato is so good. You can taste that lemon so well. So who we doing next? Who we doing next? Who we doing next? I got some lobster. Ooh. I was looking up some facts about Drake. And they said that he likes to eat McDonald's. Like, that's his favorite food. Shout out to all the Drake fans. I love Drake. He's a fellow Scorpio, like myself. Shout out to all the Scorpios. Our season is coming, baby. You guys, this is really good. That lemon pepper taste tastes really good on the green mussels. And this is lemon pepper spicy. I don't know if Drake likes spicy food. Did I pull this off, y'all? Did I pull this off? This is fun. Really, really fun. Shout out to y'all, man. The Michael Jackson video that we did went viral. It went viral on Twitter. Oh my gosh, you guys. I don't even have a Twitter yet. Oh my goodness, that is good. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram, because if you follow me on Instagram, you'll see a sneak peek of who the person is before YouTube. So follow me on Instagram at eatwithque. I'll have it linked down below. That is good. Drake is so fun. Hey Drake, how you doing? I make a fine Drake. I don't even look like myself. That's what's so funny about these transformations. Like, I don't even look like myself. I sound like myself. I hope y'all are having an amazing day, amazing Sunday. I'm so excited. We are on day 6, you guys, and it's only going to get better and better from here. If you like it already, oh goodness, wait till we get further along. It's going to be ridiculous. This egg looks beat up. I don't know about that egg though. It's good, but it looks weird. Who is our next character? Who is our next character? I'm so excited. Drake's whole Scorpion album is my favorite. Dang, Drake. Man, this is good, y'all. So delicious. Somebody asked me if I'm scared that the paint, like what's the biggest challenge with doing these faces and stuff, and do I get breakouts with when I'm doing these transformations? I don't get breakouts because I take really good care of my skin. I use black soap on my skin, but the one issue that I'm having is when I take the makeup off, how much it's just like, I just feel like it's so much to take off. Because I do put a lot of makeup on. But luckily, I don't have, it's like, today is like putting on foundation because I don't really have a lot of paint on my face. So it's not that bad, but I'm not worried about my face breaking out or anything like that. Oh my gosh, that is so delicious. This is sweet corn, it's so good. Forgot I had lemon here. Oh my gosh, you guys. Whatever you put in your, whatever flavors you put when you are making your seafood, the king crab absorbs those seasonings so well. And this, you can taste the lemon pepper throughout the entire crab leg. It is so delicious. So good. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. I look good. How you doing, baby girl? Oh my goodness, that's sweet corn. Y'all, I'm full. I am really full. All right, you guys, I love y'all so much. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. As Drake, I love the way this came out. I hope you guys like it as well. Leave me some comments down below for a shout out in tomorrow's video. If I choose oh dang, Drake, if I choose your costume recommendation, you will get a shout out. Make sure you guys are following me on Instagram. Everything is eatwithque. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. Let me know if I did a good job on this look. Let me know if you're enjoying these videos. And I'm going to leave you guys with the Drake quote. I was born to make mistakes, not fake perfection.